In this video guys, I will show you how to fix all problems on your Wolt app easy and quick. So let's learn how to do that. You have to come first and open your settings of your mobile phone. Open right now your apps option and search here for Wolt app. Open it, come directly here to storage, click clear cache and then back and click here for stop. Click OK, come to your battery, make it on optimizing mode. And then also you have to come to permission option and you have to enable these options. For me, I don't, because I don't use Wolt app. Come right now to Play Store or App Store if you use a phone. Update your Wolt app if it is not updated. And right now, the next or the last step, you have just to restart your phone. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another tutorial.